we are going to the quantitative analysis of nitrogen. The quantitative analysis of nitrogen, there are two methods while we are analyzing the nitrogen. Okay, where we can analyze by any one of the method. The first one method is Dumas method. The other one is Geldahl method. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ K silent ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, Geldahl's method. Okay, Geldahl method ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Get it? There are two methods to identify the nitrogen. Okay, to identify the quantity of nitrogen in a given organic compound. Okay, this is Geldahl's method. This is the Dumas method. First, we are going to discuss the Dumas method. In this method, the given organic compound containing the nitrogen, okay, that can be taken. Okay, the organic compound containing nitrogen we are taking. With that, we are passing the copper oxide and atmospheric carbon dioxide to that organic compound. What happens when copper oxide and nitrogen are passed to the organic compound? That the organic compound containing the nitrogen, it is converted into nitrogen N2 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ N2 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪಿಕ್ಚರಿಯಲ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಲ್ಸ್ ದ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ nitrogen is converted into nitrogen dioxide ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That can be reduced to nitrogen by that gas. Nitrogen dioxide gas is passed over a copper gauze. Okay, copper gauze ಮೇಲೆ hot copper gauze ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that can be nitrogen dioxide can be reduced to N2 nitrogen ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Get it? How we will get that nitrogen means that can be the given gas is passed over a potassium hydroxide solution. What happens? Already you know potassium hydroxide is absorbs the CO2. Already ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, that is it absorbs the carbon dioxide. As like that here also the potassium hydroxide solution absorbs the carbon dioxide. The remaining water is go to the other beaker or another separating funnel, and the nitrogen in a given gas is taken over the upper part of that tube. Okay, ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, KOH ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, KOH ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We will get to know by the diagram, pictorial diagram. Before going to that we are going to discuss the reaction, that the organic compound containing CX, X number of carbon and Y number of hydrogen and Z number of nitrogen. Okay, we are taking the given organic compound is CXHY and NZ. With that, it is react with the two molecules of 2 into X plus Y by 2 into CuO, means copper oxide ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it undergo reacts with the ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, it undergo reacts with copper oxide. And what happens, it will and also it has some amount of CO2 also. Okay, CO2 atmospheric carbon dioxide ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. Okay, what happen, it undergo reacts to give X number of carbon dioxide and Y by 2 amount of water, and with this what it will give, and also it give the nitrogen. Okay, n by 2 amount of N2. Okay, nitrogen gas. This is a nitrogen gas. That only we have to want. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, and also with that it has 2 into x plus y by 2 into copper. Okay, copper ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನೇನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ that can be obtained in the product. Okay, in this reaction, what we are going to get after this organic compound and reacts with copper oxide and atmospheric carbon dioxide, it will give the x amount of carbon dioxide and water, y by 2 amount of water with the z by 2 of N2. Get it? Z by 2 of N2, and with we are getting copper also, 2x plus y by 2 of copper also we are getting. How we are getting? By the process, that is by the pictorial representation. First, the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it is passed to the furnace. Okay, we are passing the furnace. It is like tube. Okay, has like the last method. Here also one tube is there. In that tube we are taking furnace. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು furnace ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. In this furnace we are passing copper oxide and copper gauze. Okay, those are all methods we are following here. Okay, first copper gauze, copper oxide gauze. First we are passing the copper oxide gauze. This copper oxide gauze is facilitate the copper oxides. ಏನು facilitate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Copper oxides na facilitate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ to the organic compound. Okay, to the organic compound it is facilitating the copper oxide. After that we are placing the copper oxide plus organic compound. Okay, here the organic compound and with the copper oxide, because here by passing this carbon dioxide and copper oxide it will move to the organic compound also. Copper oxide organic compound go move ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That can we are taking like that. Okay, this is the organic compound plus copper oxide. Okay, and writing copper oxide plus organic compound. Get it? Organic compound. After that, coarse copper oxide. Coarse copper oxide. I'm rubbing like that. And the remaining copper oxide and the copper oxide. After that, some amount of NO2 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ, that can be reduced by what? That is ಕಾಪರ್ ಗಾಜ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಗಾಜ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಗಾಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. It is reduced copper gauze. Reduced copper gauze. We call it as reduced copper gauze. Totally this we call it as furnace anteli kariteve. Okay, furnace anteli kariteve. This, okay, this gas is taken in a what? Yavadrinda ನಾವು gas na ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ? This gas is passed to the solution, that is KOH containing that nitrometer. Okay, nitrometer, that one of the tube we are fixed to that. Okay, how we are writing? That is, okay, this gas is passed through tube. Gas to the tube. This tube at the bottom, that is mercury seal is there. At the bottom, mercury seal is there. This is outlet for water. It is collected the water by one of the flask. In the one of the flask, water get collected. Okay, water get collected. Here it is KOH solution. At the bottom, mercury sealing is there. We call it as mercury sealing. It is fitted with the nitrometer. Okay, it is fitted with the nitrometer. Okay, nitrometer ge fix ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ nitrometer. This tube, okay, this stand tube, it has this is a stand tube. It containing KOH solution. This gas is mix up of nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water molecule. Okay, in this KOH absorbs the carbon dioxide and over the KOH nitrogen get deposited. N2 gas is deposited. Water gets separated. Okay, water gets separated from this tube. Okay, it is collected at the other one of the beaker ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಫರ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ KOH. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ KOH ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ KOH ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ above this KOH, what it is there? It is nitrogen gas. Okay, this is the nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is collected at the top of the KOH. Okay, KOH na ಮೇಲ್ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It can be taken out from this tap. Okay, ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಮಾಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಟು analysis the given nitrogen in a given compound. Okay, we can estimate the amount of nitrogen through this Dumas method. What about the calculation we will discuss now. Okay, let the mass of an organic compound be taken as a m gram. Okay, let the mass of organic compound that is m gram. Here the volume of nitrogen collected, ಏನು above the KOH ಅಲ್ಲಿ collect ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ gas, that we taken as the volume of gas we taken as V1 ml. Okay, V1 ml ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Get it? Collected, that is V1 ml. The volume of nitrogen collected, that is V1 ml. Then room temperature ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗಿವನ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ನಾವು ರೂಮ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ that we taken as T1K. That we taken as T1K. K means Kelvin. Okay. Volume of nitrogen at STP. STP ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ standard temperature pressure ಅಂತ. Volume of nitrogen at STP. STP means standard temperature pressure. Temperature, standard temperature there at 273 Kelvin, pressure at 760. Okay, pressure at 760. How we are going to calculate volume of nitrogen at standard temperature pressure? That is P1 V1. P1 V1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ pressure and volume of nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen. After the obtaining of nitrogen, no, that is collected as a gas, no, that exerted pressure and the given volume of nitrogen. Okay, into P1 V1 into 273. 273 means standard temperature, that is 273 Kelvin, and 760 pressure, and into M. P1 V1 into 273 by 760 into M. M is the mass of that is T1. T1 is the room temperature. T1 is the room temperature. We can get the volume of nitrogen by knowing this calculation. Okay. Then P1 V1 pressure and volume of nitrogen. Already you know. How we will calculate the pressure, that is P1. P1 which is equal to pressure of atmospheric pressure. It is a P1 atmospheric pressure minus what? That is aqueous tension. Atmospheric pressure minus what? Minus aqueous tension. We will get to know after calculating some problems. Okay, we will clear with the problems. This is about. Then P1 is atmospheric pressure minus aqueous tension. Then 22,400 ml of nitrogen at STP wells. At STP wells means the mass of nitrogen, molecular mass of nitrogen at 22,400 ml estirutte, that is 28 gram. Okay, the molecular mass of nitrogen is 28 gram at STP, and 22,400 ml of nitrogen at STP weighs the 28 gram. Okay, then we are going to calculate VML of nitrogen at STP weighs. Okay, VML of nitrogen at STP, standard temperature and pressure weighs. VML we are going to calculate. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ nitrogen ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ calculate ಮಾಡೋದು. That is 28 gram into VML by 22,400. Okay, 22,400. Okay, what is the percentage of nitrogen then in the VML we are going to calculate? Okay, percentage of nitrogen. Percentage of nitrogen. Percentage ಅಂದ್ರೆ into 100 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 28 into VML of nitrogen by 22,400 into 100. Okay, into 100 in 28 into VML of nitrogen into 100 by 22,400 into m gram of organic compound. We are going to estimate the m gram of organic compound containing how much of nitrogen by knowing this formula. We will clear with the problems. Okay, this is about Dumas method.